What is premises liability, and when is a property owner responsible for your injuries? You got hurt on someone else's property. Here is exactly what the law says about who pays. Premises liability is the legal concept that holds property owners responsible when someone is injured due to an unsafe condition on their property. It is the legal foundation behind slip and fall cases, swimming pool accidents, negligent security claims, staircase accidents, and many other types of injuries that happen on someone else's land or in someone else's building. The National Safety Council reports that unintentional falls, the most common type of premises liability injury, are the third leading cause of unintentional injury death in the United States, behind only poisoning and motor vehicle crashes. That is a significant fact that puts into perspective just how many serious injuries happen in environments that someone else controlled and could have made safer. One of the most important and least discussed concepts in premises liability law is the duty owed based on the visitor's status. In general, property owners owe the highest duty of care to invitees, customers, shoppers, and others invited onto the property for business purposes. They owe a somewhat lesser duty to licensees, social guests, and others with permission to be on the property. And the duty to trespassers is more limited, though even trespassers are owed some basic protections in many circumstances, especially children. The notice requirement is another critical concept. To hold a property owner liable, you generally need to show that they knew or should have known about the dangerous condition. Evidence of notice can include prior complaints, maintenance requests, prior similar accidents, or simply the length of time the hazard existed. Our team has spent decades handling premises liability cases of all kinds. If you were hurt on someone else's property, please reach out to us. Whether the hazard was a broken step, inadequate lighting, a wet floor, or a security failure, we will evaluate your case honestly and fight for the compensation you deserve. For more information and a free consultation, please call at 877-ASK-4SAM or visit us online at duty.askforsam.net.